Hi everyone, we'll go back to reaction with director Carson. Before I gotta tell you for the next one, in advertised school, I went to assembly graduation. Well, I got into 10th grade as a sophomore. At the end of assembly graduation, I meet up my seniors' friends, take a picture of together by from the man who holding my phone in the camera, and then we do group hugs known as goodbye. Pretty sure I'll see them in the summer. For the next Sonic Boom was Season 1, Episode 12. So anyways, enjoy the video. Sonic Boom. Circus of Plunders. Looks like a desert from Season 1, Episode 1.
I don't take orders from you. You flank left.
Why do we have to have this discussion every single time?
Behold, the awesome power of Octopus Bot.
Looks like an octopus robot.
Nice to meet you.
You got him, Amy. Good job.
You know, this would be easier if you'd all stop moving around.
Sorry, I can't hear you. Too busy running circles around your squid bot.
It's not a squid, it's an octopus. Can't you tell by the size of the tentacles in relation to the head?
Sonic, my laser-guided unpulverizer is ready to go. I've got a green-shotted spider bot.
It's an octopus, an octopus.
Tails, have you even tested it yet?
Don't worry, it'll work. That's not good. I should have taken that log rolling class.
Keep them coming. I can do this all day.
Or not. This big rock hurts to Knuckles.
How the tide has turned. That's a nautical reference, because it's a squid. I mean octopus. Great. Now you've got me doing it.
Ew, that's disgusting.
Next time, study a cephalopods before we do battle.
Sonic will see about that.
I don't know what happened. I'll tell you what happened. Your laser almost turned us into robo-fish food.
Yeah.
It was Tails' accident.
I'm sorry. It malfunctioned. Maybe it didn't malfunction. Maybe this isn't even Tails. What if he's one of those sleeper agents? A mole, pretending to be a fox. A fox mole. Ow! Quit!
Hey, leave him alone. He just...
No, Sonic. They're right. Well, except for sticks in that whole fox mole thing. I put all of you in danger. I need to go.
Tails, wait. Tails? You okay, buddy? Tails?
Looks like Tails is fly away and walk off alone.
Hey, guys, go easy on Tails. So we made a mistake, and haven't you ever... Oh, sorry.
Wait a
I
sec.
scared you folks.
It's the guy in Season 1, Episode 10 who stole Dr. Eggman's vehicle.
1,000 pardons. Allow me to introduce myself. T.W. Barker, entrepreneur, owner, and ringmaster of T.W. Barker's Circus of Wonders.
A circus, huh? Like with clowns?
And elephants? And art made from corn husks? I have no idea what a circus is.
Alas, I have none of those. For you see, my performers ate some bad sushi in the last town and have fallen gravely ill. All I have are my 2 stuffed bears.
So, how will you put on a show?
I won't be able to. The children will be ever so disappointed.
Not the children!
Yes, the children. If only I could find some kind-hearted souls to help me keep the magic of the circus alive.
Mr. Barker, you're in luck. We'd be proud to volunteer in your circus.
Speak for yourself, Amy. What makes you think I want to perform like some kind of trained animal? No offense.
Yes, I understand. The training is quite rigorous. It's okay if you're not capable.
Capable is my middle name. I thought your middle name was The. Look, I just hope your circus can.
I
keep
don't
up
know
with
what's
me.
Sonic's middle name. No one knows.
I'm delighted to have all of you.
Oh, wait, there's one more. Tails, come in. We're joining the circus. Tails? Tails?
Tails is no in the mood. He's working on something.
Oh, come on!
Tails shoots Dr. Eggman's remote.
Welcome to the circus, where your unique abilities will be put on display for the children of the world. Sonic, there's only one creature fast enough to master. The Sphere of Fear, a circuitous cage with no beginning or end, allowing you to reach unparalleled speeds, all without leaving the center ring.
Wicked.
You, my muscular friend, are formidable with your fists. But have you ever thought about using your head? Using my head!
Funny. And again.
Oh, me! What am I gonna be? An acrobat? A lion tamer? A magician performing illusions the likes of which nobody has ever seen!
You'll be a sad clown.
Sad clown! I see what's going on here. You're giving me the lame job because I'm a girl. I'm ready for my trapeze act, boss. That's it. I didn't use a counter weight to compensate for changes in velocity. Plus, this was inside.
Just fish.
Welcome to T.W. Barker's Circus of Wonders. Tonight, we bring you feats of strength, speed, and agility, the likes of which you have never seen before. Unless you've been to any other circuses. Enjoy!
It's not funny. It's sad. You're supposed to sympathize with the sad clown.
Behold, the Sphere of Fear!
One
Nice.
final
Sweet! Just in time for Dancing with the Robots! No!
And again.
Season finale! What time does the show start?
Great job, everybody.
That was a blast. We should do it again sometime.
Yes, you should. And you will.
Hey, what's the big idea?
Will you see
What
my
the? That guy
performance
just
and
caged
sit
Sonic.
to escape?
How dare
So when I heard
you?
about your crew, I set up this brilliant trap. And you marks walked right into it.
And so is Knuckles? Sticks?
My feral friend. But here's the real prize. It's not easy to catch lightning in a bottle. So I had to special order this bottle from a mutual friend of ours.
The Sphere of Fear from Eggman Industries is unbendable, unbreakable, unmeltable, and it's yours for just 6 easy payments. Plus shipping and handling. That's how we get you.
You forgot one thing, Barker. Me.
Did I? Sweet, compassionate Amy Rose. Think of the children.
The children. Wait, that's not gonna work on me this time. So is,
So
it
is Amy.
or-
Oh,
Two.
and in case you managed to escape, I ordered some of these as well.
That guy used Dr. Eggman's army robots.
Guys, I fixed the envolterizer. It actually works now. Where is everyone? There? Sonic?
Tails! Man, am I glad to hear from you. That circus creep captured us. We need your help, buddy.
10-4, Blue Leader. Help is on the way. I've got eyes on the big top, Sonic.
thing still doesn't work.
Or not, it works.
Now this is wicked.
Bears! Motobugs! Attack!
Sonic, don't let him get away. Sonic caged him.
Let me out of this infernal cage! I'm an entrepreneur!
Sonic said no.
That was some sweet flying, buddy. Yeah, you did good.
Sorry for saying you were a double agent. I didn't realize you were a triple agent. Yeah, thanks, Tails. Well, I'm just happy I could help. Now let's get out of here.
What? No! No! Wait! You can't leave me here! Come back! Come back! Come back! Finally, I can turn off this track!
Sonic Boom, Season 1, Episode 12, Circus of Plunders, the end. So everyone, don't to forget like and subscribe, so I'll make some more videos. Before I have to go, I have to say, if you're a student at your high school, don't forget to take a pictures of your seniors' friends, and then group hugs and say goodbye. So anyways, goodbye.